Hey, how you doing? It's Ian from ALG Building, Central Coast. We're installing this Readilight 12-watt sky fixture today. It comes with a 7-year warranty. As you can see, I've already got the template cut out. Hole cut, beautiful. This is probably the easiest Skylight we've ever had to install, as it is a digital one. Simple as hooking that, simple A into B, and then B will go into C on the solar panel on the roof. We're just going to run the cable up through the ridge cap, run it down. It has, I think, 10 meters of cable on it, so it's just a very easy install, and we're pretty stoked on this. All right, just going to chuck it in. Just a quick little demonstration, I guess. Easy clip in. Throw that up in the cavity so we can reach it from the inside of the roof. Lift your mouse traps, and then easy as pushing that light in there. Everything's flush, all sealed, beautiful. All right, we're just here with the solar panel on that goes on the roof. So it's super minimal invasive. So we're just going to use our top screws from our ridge cap for the top side, measure down, put the bottom on. So the first step is easily just chucking this cable straight through. We always use a conduit just when we go under the ridge cap, just so it doesn't tear or strip away at the wires. All right, so like I said, we're just going to use the existing screws with the bracket. Chuck that rubber strip on, it's sticky, it's easy as. Alright, so the bottom brackets, easy as. I just pre-drilled these to make it a little easier for the screws. Toss that panel in there. Snug as a bug. Just get the rest of the screws. Alright, so that's it. That's the top solar panel all installed. Easy as, just 4 roof screws and then 4 screws straight into the panel. And as you can tell, that's not going anywhere, and that's what we want. Alright, so you can see our cable there. It's run through our conduit down through the ridge cap. Just run it over a few trusses, straight down to our power connection for the actual board. Jump in there. Luckily the client here has got boards and storage up here, so it's really easy. We don't have to touch the installation. Easiest install in the game, I reckon. So red to positive, black to negative. Toss the red in, screw him up. Lovely. And black to negative. Lovely work. So we're just going to tie up these cables later for better cable management. A few clips. Screw that onto our truss there so it's out of the way of any storage or anything that needs to go in the roof. Alright, so that's the final product. That's our Skylight all installed. Pumping out plenty of light for the whole walk-in wardrobe.